quickly go through the answers to this. If you have a question, stop me. Did everybody choose D for the first one? Reflection across x equals -1. X equals -1. We are talking about this line right here. That is the x equals -1 vertical line. Number 2, we are looking at C, rotation of 180 degrees about the origin. If you're not sure about rotations, put a handle on it. If I put a handle from the center to J, and then turn the figure using the handle to J prime, then I've gone through a 180 degree turn. Number 3, the information there, that looks like a reflection across x equals 2. X equals 2 would be that reflecting line. And number 4, looks like we've got a translation. Let's check to see. Start with any of the original points. Let's start with Z. I have to move 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and then I have to move 2 up. That matches up. Next page. Somebody give me all your answers to page 2. Elizabeth. All right, we've got C here. What do you have for 6? Another translation. Number 7. D, a rotation of 180 degrees. And number 8. C, clockwise about the origin. So we're moving this way. Another rotation, if I use that as a handle and then move from K to K prime, that's a 90 degree move. That was D, that was C. Whoop. Graph the image using the transformation given. Is that what you have on your paper? Somebody give me 9 and 10. What do you got, Emma, for 9 and 10?
A and B.
A and B? So up just a little bit. And B, what were the directions again? 9 and 10. Graph using the transformation given. I see. So we started with a turn, then we had a translation or a slide. Turn. This was a slide. Is that it for that page? Number 11. We got a translation, and were you given a drawing or did you have to make a drawing?
Make it.
JD, what'd you get for your answer?
B and C.
B and C. For 11, we're looking at a slide. And for 12, we're looking at another slide. And let's make sure that we're actually plotting correctly. -1, -4. 0, -1, 1, -1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Was your original figure like that? Did I plot that correctly? Does that look right? Okay. We got a translation and a translation. Raise your hand, give me 13 and 14. You volunteered, you see. C and what? Let's see. If I do A, -2, -2, 3, -2, 4, 0, -1, 1. If I do A, that would be a reflection. Which one do we want for 14?
D.
Choice D. For D, -3, -5, -4, -2, 1, -2, and 2, -4. 2, -4. What did I do here? There we go. Can you see that D is a slide? Amanda?
Oh.
Dilations. 15 was a reduction of 1/2. Think multiplication. If you were actually going to look at the formula for number 15, it would look like that. 0.5x, 0.5y. Every single coordinate is being multiplied by 1/2 or 0.5. 16, we can rule out a couple things because that is an enlargement, so I can get rid of that one and that one. I'm noticing that it goes from a 3 to 4.5. Well, that's definitely not a dilation of 2 because it would go from 3 to 6. So that must be a dilation of 1.5. If I can look at vertical or horizontal components, that's probably the easiest method. If I don't have those, then I start looking at coordinates. For 17, I'm getting B, because I see this goes from 2 to 4. Let's do a coordinate one. Even though we've got a vertical component here, if I look at the original E, which is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, and it becomes E prime, which is 1, 2, 2.5, 1. I can easily see that both of these coordinates are getting cut in half. So 18 should be B. So you can either look at distances to make a decision or look at the actual coordinates. And last two. After a dilation of 1.5, the object should get bigger. After a dilation of 1/4, the object should get smaller. We should have B. And you should have D. Any questions while I've got these up? If you come across something and you're still not sure about it, come to me at the end of class when everybody is doing their SOL review on parallel lines. Expect more of the same tomorrow. We're going to get into dilations a little bit more. We'll do some rubber band dilations tomorrow. Take out your surface area packets. we went over the first 5 questions of that. Surface area calculated, looks like this one. I just gave you 1 page of that. What we can do, take out your 1-page paper that looks like that, and turn it over. We're going to put 2 problems on the back instead of me passing out in packets.